In this section, we will address the cleaning of our data, focusing on the approach of removing noise. Noise reduces the quality of the data, so it is essential to clean it properly. No matter how effective the analysis technique we use is, if we work with faulty data, we will get incorrect results, which will end up negatively affecting decision-making instead of helping it. This is what the phrase garbage in, garbage out refers to. When we talk about noise, we refer to typographical errors, which are mistakes made when entering information into the database. Incorrect formats, for example, numbers that have a comma instead of a decimal point, or vice versa, or phone numbers with dashes, assuming they shouldn't contain them. Data inconsistency, which is when contradictory, incoherent, or conflicting information is present. Duplicate records, redundant data, for example, when there is a column for weight, a column for height, and another for body mass index. The body mass index could be considered redundant information since it can be calculated using the values in the weight and height columns. Outliers or values that are very small or very large compared to the rest of the data in our variables. Additionally, we have missing data. It is important to clarify that some of the items listed here do not necessarily need to be considered as noise, since, as we will see in the videos corresponding to the explanations for each of them, they can sometimes provide valuable information. It all depends on the context in which the data is obtained and the techniques that will be used to analyze them. In this section, we will cover typographical errors, incorrect formats, and duplicate records. The other topics will be addressed in separate sections because they are quite extensive.